Close your eyes and imagine the sound of a classic sci-fi laser gun, a quick, sharp pew-pew that echoes through the air. Now, imagine walking through the dense forests of Australia, only to hear that same sound reverberating through the trees. But here, it's not the latest movie set or a savvy sound engineer. It's the superb lyrebird, a master mimic of the avian world. This remarkable bird has evolved to become a living sound library, capable of reproducing an astonishing array of noises, including the otherworldly laser-like sounds that have stumped many. The superb lyrebird is a marvel of nature, named for the lyre-shaped tail of the male, which it displays during its courtship dance. But this bird's true claim to fame is its vocal prowess. With the ability to mimic an extensive variety of sounds, the lyrebird can reproduce everything from chainsaws and camera shutters to car alarms and, yes, the unmistakable zap of a laser gun. So, how does a bird become such an extraordinary mimic? The lyrebird's vocal cords are uniquely adapted, providing a wide range of frequencies and allowing precise control over pitch and volume. Young lyrebirds spend years perfecting their craft by listening to the sounds around them. They effortlessly incorporate these into their repertoire, creating an audio collage that fascinates and confounds. In their natural habitat, these birds use their mimicking skills primarily for mating rituals. The ability to produce a dazzling variety of sounds is a signal of fitness and intelligence, making the lyrebird a highly desirable partner. But beyond their biological imperatives, lyrebirds remind us of nature's uncanny ability to replicate what we often consider purely artificial. So, next time you hear a sci-fi laser blast, remember the superb lyrebird, a creature that embodies the notion that truth is often stranger than fiction. It's a testament to nature's creativity, predating Hollywood sound effects by millions of years, and proving that sometimes the best sound engineers are found not in studios, but in the wild.